All right, fabulous fourth graders. It is day 3 of our consonant LE single and multisyllable words. Again, our objective is to read, write, and spell multisyllabic words, meaning multiple syllable words, with the consonant LE syllable type. So let's review. What are the things that we know about a consonant LE syllable? I hope you know that it has a consonant followed by the letter L and the letter E, that the consonant LE syllable comes at the end of the word most of the time, and that it is unaccented. All right, find the word syllable grid in your, find this word syllable grid in your syllabication book. And with the partner next to you, I want you to play tic-tac-toe. So your objective is to get 3 words in a row. The way you're going to do that is only you can write on your book. Who can write on your book? That's correct, only you. So if I am partner A, I might say the word example, and I'm going to put my initials, JH for Julie Hill, on the word example. Then I'm going to ask my partner. For example, my partner might be Miss Kala. And Miss Kala might say rattle. So in my book, I have a JH for Mrs. Hill on example and a VK for Miss Kala on rattle. And we keep going back and forth until someone has won. Once someone wins on my book, then I turn around and play on my partner's book. Again, I only write in my book and we don't move around the room because of COVID. Please pause the video and play tic-tac-toe now. All right, we're going to work together to spell words with the consonant LE syllables. The first word that we have is swindle. Swindle. Let's sound out the syllables for swindle. Let's tap those out. We have swindle. So there are 2 syllables. How many syllables? The first syllable is swin. Please write the word swin in the first box in your book. All right, the second syllable is dull. Please write the syllable dull in your box, in the second box in your book. And when we put them together, we have the word swindle. The next word is scrabble. What's the word? Scrabble. Let's tap out the syllables in Scrabble. We have scrabble. How many syllables? Yes, 2. The first syllable is scrab. Please write scrab in the first syllable box. In the word scrabble, scrab is the first syllable. The second syllable is bull. Please write bull in the second box. And when we put them together, we have the word scrabble. The next word is example. What's the word? Example. Let's tap out the syllables for example. We have example. This one has 3 syllables. 3 syllables. The first syllable is X. Spell X in the first box. Example. Second syllable is am. Write am in the second box. Again, my word is example. The last syllable is pull. Please put pull in the last box. And we put them all together and we have the word example. Once you are done writing those words, please have the substitute put Scrabble and example up on the board so you can check your spelling. Oh, Miss Hill can put them up for you. There is Scrabble. Eggs. So we had it divided between the EX and the AN. And pull. All right, we're going to skip the sentence writing today and we're going to go directly into the multi-syllable word passage. My uncle and his circus act. Please read this passage to a partner and have them read it back to you.